Alright, y'all. I'm back out here. Decided I was gonna mess around today and get some of this stuff going. As you see, I'm gonna flip it around. I got a little smoker here. I'm gonna cook with this is my little Family Dollar grill right here. I already had this for years, but I already just jumped on here. Got some meat going. Let's see if you guys can see. Got a couple of meat covered chicken, fish, some turkey legs. Got all that stuff going. Just threw it on here. Gonna wait about an hour. Come back, check on and see what it looks like. So we're a couple hours in. We got the meat going. Over here, my wife over here flipping stuff around. See if we could get some good looks on here. Taking a little longer because it wasn't getting, we couldn't find the right temperature. But that's how it is after a few minutes. I wonder if we should flip it. You need to get you gotta get the flat one.
The spatula, but it's gonna break if you flip it.
What you wanna do? You wanna leave it like that? So this how it looks like midway. Let's close it up. And we'll get back with you. So we right here. This is the meat that we have on there. Look at the fish. We're gonna take the fish off real quick. Oh man, it looks good. You have to get up under there, swipe it under real good to get it up off of there. It's gonna come off real clean. My wife's scared to hit it, scratch it off.
Probably gotta do this.
Man, she acting like she's so afraid to hit it.
I don't want it to break.
Hey, let it break. It's fine like that. Oh, dang. Go ahead, take it off. Just go under, scrape it under.
I know, but the thing is that it's not going under clean, it's sticking. That's why I'm like doing this, because it's sticking.
So we trying to get some of this meat off of here. It's gonna break,
It's breaking.
That's all you could do is take it off, put it in there. Whatever's left on there, I'm gonna eat it single-handedly. She acting all scared to get it all. Look at her look in the pan, y'all. There's nothing you could do. If it's stick, it's stick. Look at the rest of the meat on here. It's been on here for a while. Scrape all the rest of that off. Let's give them what they got. This for my sister. She said this is what she wants. So we're gonna get this to her. And we got some other meat over here in the little small grill right here, smoking. We're gonna get back. And it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. This is what we do out here. My wife is a complete hater. She'll come out here and say that this is what she did. I'm out here, I'm cooking, I'm smoking, I'm grilling. I'm like that. She know that. So we'll get back with you guys in a little bit. This is how everything turned out as far as the fish aspect of it.